What's up, everybody? I'm Kyle. Welcome back to DIY Buildouts. So if you are on the fence, if you have a Bass Tracker Classic XL or maybe another 17-foot bass boat, you might be looking to upgrade your trolling motor. I've had a ton of questions when I was trying to do mine because I originally had one of those cheap ones that flipped out. It was garbage. This is the finished product. This is a Minn Kota Terrova 80-pound trolling motor on a custom aluminum bracket. Let me walk you through it real quick so I can answer some of the questions you might have. I started with a 55-pound trolling motor. It could not hold me in the wind. A 17-foot boat like this with any kind of current, you want to get an 80-pound 24-volt system. Let's just knock that out of the gate right there. Okay, go with the 80. This right here is the 60-inch shaft. I bought it purely because I may upgrade my boat in the future. The 45-inch shaft was going to be too short for most boats. This right here is fine, especially with this little support bracket on it. Let me come over here to the other side, and you can see, even when it's stowed, it's not in the way. You know, I don't regret the purchase one bit. I can take this to my next boat if I really wanted to. Next up, and this is probably a question that a lot of you have, this custom aluminum bracket. I ordered it on Google or online. I just did a Google search. It's 8 inches wide by 24 inches long, super duper easy. And all I did was, with a piece of cardboard, map out where the existing holes were, punch through it, put it on here, mark, and then drill through a hole, and then get some big washers and use the hardware to use the mounting location of that. Use the holes to mount directly into the previously drilled into the boat holes. And then up here, I just mounted the Minn Kota quick release bracket onto the aluminum plate, drove in one bolt all the way through, the rest just into this thing right here. And yeah, this can come on and off super duper easily, and does the boat awesome. Then I went on Amazon. I think this was a 100 amp hour heavy duty quick release plug. There's the other half of it. I got 4-gauge wire off of Temu for like 25 bucks, and I ran it as short as I could to right here into this storage cabinet. And instead of going with 2 lead acid batteries, I opted for 1 lithium ion 24-volt battery. So there's no complex wiring. There's just a positive and a negative. And this is just a charging cable that comes off of it, so I can charge it easily. So yeah, that is the entire setup. 1 battery, 4 feet of wire, and an awesome trolling motor with a custom bracket. Any questions, please leave them below. I'll happily reply. This video would have saved me so many hours of research and like figuring stuff out. So I figured I'd make it for you guys and put it out there for you. Please like and subscribe. And again, comment anything you need to ask below. All right, we'll see you soon, guys. Bye.